A company utilizes multiple AWS accounts. Developers working in one account need secure access to specific resources located in a production account. What is the most secure method to implement this cross-account access? The options are: Option A, provision an IAM user within the production account and distribute the login credentials to the relevant developers. Option B, configure an IAM role within the developer account with the necessary production permissions and allow developers to assume this role. Option C, create an IAM user in the production account and require developers to authenticate using this shared user account. Option D, configure an IAM role within the production account, assign the required permissions to it, and allow developers in the developer account to assume the role. This scenario focuses on identity and access management across multiple isolated cloud environments. The core concept involves securely granting temporary privileges to users who belong to one account so they can interact with resources in another without introducing unnecessary security risks associated with managing static credentials across account boundaries.
In my view, the correct answer is option D. The most secure way to handle this is by creating an IAM role in the production account. This allows you to set a trust policy and a permissions policy that specifically define what can be done and by whom. When users from the developer account assume this role, they receive temporary security credentials, which is a much safer practice than using long-term identifiers. Options A and C are incorrect because they involve creating IAM users in the production account. Sharing long-lived credentials, like passwords or static keys, increases the attack surface and fails to follow the principle of least privilege. Option B is also incorrect because an IAM role must be configured in the target account, which is the production account, to authorize access to the resources residing there.
As an exam tip, always remember that in AWS, cross-account access is designed around the concept of trust. You place the role in the resource account and authorize the external account to assume that role. This avoids the need for creating manual user identities in multiple locations, ensuring your security architecture remains clean and easily auditable.